180. Catapult. Shout out my nigga Doggy SDK. My nigga Rashid.
It's Henny. I'ma take him back to school. I'ma take him back to Dooksy. All black, everything. You would think it's Mookie. Blowing on that loud pack. Tell him you could order see. Haters can't stand me. Go get him a courtesy. Count the fuck apartments. Chopping out the house. Oh, yeah, he looking at me. People through the dock. Money on my time clock. You can check the side. Stacking up this paper. Just like a Waraka. Swagging on these bum niggas. Cause they coyotes. Going so hard on them. They like a Georgia. Don't ask me where my stash at. I got my roti. Now reaching for my trunk. Maroti. Have to make it rain. About to make it off. Get it in my blunt. Codeine in my car. Say it's going down. Bitches going horse. And I go bananas. Something like a moss. Blue show. Catch me on the block and I'm with look shawty. Yo, bitch like me, but really like my hair. So the aim on the step. Suck me like a net. Bello, heavily a halo. Your weed too quiet. We smoking on that halo. Checo, run it to your ego. My niggas eating good and we don't need to forget to. These niggas looking got you. Tell me that I can't spit, I might just have to